Do you want to print a document attached to an email from your iPhone at an Image Runner Advance? You can do this with the Canon Direct Print and Scan for Mobile app on your mobile device. We'll show you how in this demo. To print a document that is an email attachment from an iPhone, we must first establish a connection between the iPhone and the Image Runner Advance device and press the Print and Scan key on its main menu screen. You can also do this on a MEEP-enabled legacy Image Runner. The Image Runner will display a QR code. Now, on your iPhone, touch the icon for the Canon Direct Print and Scan for Mobile app. Touch Canon Devices, then Add Device. Your iPhone will display a barcode scanner, which we'll use to scan the QR code of the Image Runner we're standing at. Now hold the camera lens of your iPhone over the Image Runner's display. The barcode has to be within the boundary box, and it'll be scanned automatically. The scan initiates handshaking by the devices so that they can talk to each other and exchange their operating information. When the QR code has been successfully scanned, the Image Runner device will appear in the list of Canon devices on the iPhone's display. Launch the Email app on your iPhone by touching its icon on the display screen. Then navigate to the mailbox that contains the message with the attachment you want, and touch the message to select it. You'll see the Message and File icon for its attachments. For this example, since we're sending the document as an email attachment, we have to touch and hold on the icon for the attachment we want to print to make the action sheet appear. You can also do this by touching the action sheet icon along the bottom of the iPhone's display screen. When the action sheet appears, touch Open in Print and scan to select it. At this point, we'll see a preview of the print, as well as our device list on the action sheet. Touch the Device Options icon. That's the arrow in the circle located to the right of the name of the Canon device we're choosing to print the file. The available functions for the selected device, along with their current default settings, will be displayed in the Device Settings panel. Changes can be made by touching the corresponding printer settings item. Functions that aren't available, such as hole punch in this example, will say so in the display and be grayed out. Let's start with copies. When you touch it, a keypad appears for us to use to select 3 for the number of copies to be made. Then we have to touch Done to confirm the settings and return to the Device Settings menu. To select whether to print in black and white or color, touch Color Mode. Now the Image Runner Advance we selected only prints in black and white, so we have just a single choice. Touch Device Settings to confirm and return to the Settings menu. Touch Page Layout to choose single-sided or double-sided output for our prints. We'll set it to two-sided left edge. Then we touch Device Settings again to confirm and return to the Settings menu. Collate lets us select the arrangement for the delivered prints, either collated or grouped. I'll leave it set to collate, and then touch Device Settings to go back. If we want our print stapled, touch Staple, and select a stapling option from the list. We'll go with a single staple in the upper left corner of the prints, and confirm it by touching Device Settings, which again returns us to the Settings menu. With all our settings made, touch Print to confirm them and return to the print preview. We're now ready to touch the blue Print key on the action sheet. The print data is then sent to our selected printing device, which in turn generates the print and delivers it to the output tray. The iPhone will display a Printing Complete message after the document has been printed. Just touch OK to clear it and pick up the prints.